Every cough you take, every sneeze you make, you know it's just a damn symptom of the coronavirus. You just tell you gotta stay away. Stay 6 feet away at all times. Stay away day and night. Social distancing, yeah, we got to social distance now. Can't fucking go out. And every time you fucking cough, don't you even fucking cough on me, because it's the flu. And now to tell you it's coronavirus, came from China, another disease, a new virus called COVID-19. Now just telling ya that's what it is. Now just tell ya, yeah, it's called Corona. Fuck China, fuck China, fuck China, fuck China, fuck China, fuck China. Now just tell you, now we got to wash our damn hands for 20 whole seconds. Cannot go out of a fucking house. The law says you're not allowed, and they're watching you. You are on lockdown. You cannot go out. They will be watching you. No toilet paper left in the stores. Now just telling you, it's just a damn flu. Now just telling you, that's what it is. It came from the Chinese. It's just a flu. Coronavirus came from China. Yeah, that's all they do. Yeah, it's just the flu. All they give us is a bunch of damn bugs. It comes from China. They'll be watching you. You cannot go out of the fucking house. The law says you're not allowed. They'll be watching you. Now just telling you what it is right now. And you can't go out. It's just the flu. It's coronavirus. Yeah, it didn't come from the beer. It came from bats and corn. It's just the flu.